doing here, shithead? Go on, he works for me. And who's the little twink here?
No, that wild animal just attacked me! Miss, she needs to be locked up in a zoo. She's a danger to the school.
Fighting bugs. And, how's that going for you? They're winning. But not for long.
Everybody, get a load of me!
Raquel, you look fabulous.
Tell me something I don't know. Hi, Babs. Just returning this can of glitter I borrowed.
That's it. Almost there. Now, presenting the magic-tastical back-flipping rubber duck! That spits fire!
I didn't hear anything.
Oh, I definitely heard someone. Why were you born?
One boring blue boy in a painfully boring painting.
Things are possible through vegetables, bro. Oh, yeah! My name is B-Boy. Today's my B-Day.
It may be true that we came here as heroes, but remember, we're still just students. We have to work hard and prove ourselves to earn the Islanders' trust.
Lilo? Lilo?
Lilo? Oh no.
You better be home. Hey! Watch where you're going! Stupid head!
Laura, I need to blow something up. Last time, I don't know. You think I keep her on a leash?
I'm Emily, the other Seraphim, though you can call me Em. Emmy. E. Whatever you want. I go by whatever. Welcome to heaven.
That's it. I'm going to fucking end your life.